Hello everyone, so in today's video we're gonna look at two Lamborghini Huracans LP610-4. The red one is made by AUTOart models and the green one is made by Welly. The red one is made by Plastic ABS. It's the new generation AUTOart models. The Welly one is made out of metal. First, the AUTOart version is quite nicely done. We have the headlights that are pretty awesome made. We have the front emblem that it's extremely well done. We have perforated grills in the sides but not in the middle. That is quite strange for me. I don't know why they did that. Also the wheels and the brake disc are very nicely done, as you can see. In the front bonnet has some very nice hinges. Also, every opening of this model has one or two magnets because they are extremely light. They need to hold them in place. Also, there is no carpet in the interior. Again, AUTOart used to put carpet there. Would have been a nice detail. The hinges are very nicely done, as you can see, extremely nice. In the interior, we have a lot of nice details. Also, the interior is carpeted, so big plus here. As you can see, there are a lot of details in the interior. In the back, the tailpipes are extremely well done, as AUTOart used us. The logo is photo etched, but the brake light is painted. Also, the brake lights on the sides are very nicely done, and the back grille, it's perforated as well. The engine compartment extremely well, very good done. We have here the firing order of the cylinders, so the V10, the skeleton of the engine, also the hinges extremely well done, very light as well. You barely touch it and it will move. These pieces are for the magnets. A very good model, if you ask me, but I'm not a very big fan of the plastic made by AUTOart. On the Welly model, again, quite good considering its price. No perforated grills, and the emblem is just a sticker, as we would expect because of the price difference. In the front, also not carpeted, but this is quite ugly, the dog legs hinges. In the interior, we have also a difference. We have halfway windows on the Welly and full windows on AUTOart. The interior is quite good, nowhere near the AUTOart model, but for the price. Also no carpet in the interior as well. Also the wheels are okay-ish done. The brake discs look quite okay on this one. Sadly, my model came with this wheel off and no brake disc. Just a bad quality control, I think. In the back, the grille is not perforated as in the AUTOart model. Also, the Lamborghini logo is not photo etched is only just a sticker. Also the third brake light is only painted. Quite good side brake lights. In the engine bay we have also the firing order of the cylinders. As you can see, I have a small problem here, but it's quite good for its price. So regarding the price, when I'm making this video, the AUTOart model it's around 60-70 euros discounted, or a little more, and Welly it's around 40-50 euros. For this price I will highly recommend getting the AUTOart one, because it's a fantastic value. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.